Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Every cloud has a silver lining, wait for the sunshine. Every rainbow comes after it's been raining. Jumping down.
Hey guys, it's me Rhiah again. We're back at my kitchen. So the menu I'm going to make today is pineapple chicken, or in Tagalog is Pininyahang Manok. So this is one of my favorite food here in the Philippines. I'm always making a pineapple chicken or Pininyahang Manok. So I already cut all of the ingredients. So andito na ngayon lahat sa harap ko ang mga gagamitin nating mga ingredients at kung paano ko gagawin ang Pininyahang Manok. So ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Andyan na yung bawang sibuyas, patatas, carrots, calamansi. If you have a big size of calamansi, dalawa lang. If it's small, apat. And then red bell pepper, garlic, and onion. And then we have, of course, black pepper, and pineapple tidbits, 1 cup of milk. You can use a fresh milk or sterilized milk, a pop, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, 2 chicken cubes, and the magic syrup, of course, and then 1 kilo of chicken cubes that I already cut. So ito yung mga gagamitin nating mga ingredients, how to make my very own style of pineapple chicken. So now, let's go to my dirty kitchen. Yes, of course, bago po tayo mag-umpisa, maglagay po muna tayo ng kawali. Pinainit na po natin yung kawali. Then we're gonna put oil. I use sesame oil. Then, magigit na po muna tayo. So, next, I'm gonna put, first is garlic. Garlic is a little bit brown. Then the next is the onion. I'm usually using 2 types of onion, the native one, the red one, and the white onion. Then, sunod na po natin ay ang patatas. Katagal maluto ang patatas kasi ang chicken is very quick. Chicken is very quick to cook. Medyo fried lang natin ang alasogi. Next, the carrot. Then, ilagay po natin ang chicken cubes sa ibabaw. Then, while we're waiting for the chicken just to be cooked, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. Huwag po muna natin busin. Then cover the lid. We'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes.
Then we're gonna add it is the pineapple tidbits. Next, the milk.
Adding the sugar. Two cubes. This is 2 chicken cubes. Flavor seasoning. Then the calamansi. So guys, it's up to me because I really like apple. So I'm gonna use 2 sachets of pineapple. Net weight 200 grams. So, bali 400 grams po yung aking ginamit.
Ang sarap nito. Sobrang sarap.
Oh my God! Masarap! Masarap! Wait lang po natin ng isang kulo pa and then we're done.
So guys, eto na. Natapos ko na lutuin ang ating pineapple chicken or pininyahang manok. So, ganun lang kadali yung aking recipe. It's easy steps. So, eto na po yung ating final.
Pineapple chicken. So, guys, masarap yung aming pananghalian ngayon. So, you know, I'm always cooking. And then, because this is my favorite
favorite to do. And of course, pag gusto kong kumain ng masarap, so ako ang magluluto. So ako yung gagawa, at especially if I want to eat something, so ako yung gagawa ng pagkain dito sa bahay. And especially that I love to cook on my very own style. So, ayan na. So guys, hanggang sa muli, Rhiah at Kitchenomics. I hope you enjoy my vlog. And it's easy to make. Yun! So yun, wala na akong sasabihin. So yun lang. So, thank you very much for watching. To subscribe, please subscribe, like, and share. I-share naman po natin yung aming video na aking ginawa. Alam ko naman po na very helpful naman po yung pagtuturo ko ng pagluluto. Ayun, bakit ako nag-mental block again? Okay, so, yun guys. So, like and share, subscribe, hit the bell, and there you go. Thank you! Hanggang sa muli in the next episode. Bye-bye! So, ito na ang aking remote control. Akin na siyang patayin. Hopefully, gumana siya ngayon,